Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Dayforce Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Dayforce Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to dayforcehcm.com/mydayforce/login. It will then take you to the login portal of Dayforce. There, enter your company name, your username, and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Dayforce login of Payroll. From there, navigate to Payroll section. This is how you can log into your Dayforce Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.